Hey, this is Ed Samuel, career coach with SamNova. Thanks for joining us on this edition of Career Trails. Like and subscribe to our channel, please. Hey, we're back at Auburn Valley State Park in Yorkland, Delaware. It's a tad warmer than last time on our last visit here. So off we go to see who we might run into this afternoon. Wanted to stop you here and ask you a little bit about your career. So thanks for doing so. So, what's your first name?
Wayne,
Wayne, where are you from?
live in Kennett.
So, what's been your profession? What do you do?
I own and operate a poop scooping company, pet waste management, commercial and residential. Oddly enough, my career was in IT. I was in IT for 26 years, 22 for the same company.
Wow, that's a long run. What kind of IT work did you do?
I did high level customer support. We serviced a lot of Fortune 500 companies. So it was B2B. I never really dealt with the end user. I dealt with other IT departments.
You know, if you look back at your IT career, um, any advice for somebody going into IT since you've been in that career for so long that you would give somebody starting out?
Uh, my biggest advice if you're going into IT is don't get comfortable. And to succeed in IT, you always want to be learning the next big thing. You always want to keep your finger on the pulse and learn what's coming down the line and how it's going to fit in because IT is a constantly evolving beast that you can rarely get a hold of and you can't hold it. You can just absorb some of it, but that was another life.
So you made a career pivot. So tell me about this decision of you leaving, I guess, corporate America, in IT. Did you become an entrepreneur, I guess?
Yeah, well, in 2023, I got laid off. And after a while of sitting at home and taking care of a lot of projects and spending that severance, I sat down and thought about it and said I did not want to go back to the corporate world. And so looked around, looked to a couple franchises, and now settled on Poop Scoop.
Yeah. So, so how long have you been doing this?
It's been a little over a year and a half now, slightly over a year and a half.
Yeah.
Over a year and a half.
Wow. So you made this career pivot. Now is this something that one of the things I wanted to ask you is that if somebody wanted to make this same pivot that you're making, what are some lessons learned so far?
Lessons learned, and I guess it doesn't come easy. Lessons, you get into it, you get out of it what you put in. So you got to work hard.
Yep.
And slow process. I've spoken to other business owners. And one of the things when you're a business owner, you have to deal with the ups and downs and the highs and lows. And there'll be many sleepless nights, a lot of anxiety. And it's not a get rich quick. Nothing worth it ever is. And if you can work, if you can put your mind to it, you can see a level of success.
Super, super. Well, hey, thanks for spending a few minutes with us, and I'll let you back to the trail here. So have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you. Blessed day yourself.
So here we are at the end of the trail at Auburn State Park. Before I leave you, here's another trivia question. What historic mansion resides in this park? To find the answer to this question and get our career tip for the day, go to our website, samnovainc.com, click on Services, then Career Trails. Please like and subscribe to our channel. But until next time, this is Ed Samuel, career coach with SamNova. Remember, each and every one of you have a God-given right to get to that better place. Hope to see you on the trail soon. God bless.